Good Friday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. Here we go again. Another winter weather advisory from 3 a.m. tonight to 3 p.m. tomorrow. It's going to be for our southern counties, mainly south of Highway 30, but it does kind of arch up into central Iowa, including the Des Moines area, and then off towards northwestern Iowa. So almost a very similar situation compared to what we had yesterday with the track of the storm and the amounts that we're expecting. And we'll get into it here in just a second. Today, at least, we're recovering from the snow that we had yesterday, which was mainly about 1 to 3, maybe up to 4 for areas along and south of I-80. Pretty low amounts everywhere else. But again, roads are in much better shape. We're going to have cloud cover through today and a few flurries possible at times. One thing we'll look out for, the winds picking up this afternoon with a cold front that comes by, and that could lead to some drifting snow, especially in spots that have new snow on the ground. Beyond that, should be a little bit of clearing here into this evening if you're heading out for anything. It is going to turn pretty cold, though. Low temperatures get down to about 0 degrees before the clouds roll back in, and those clouds will bring our next chance for snow starting around sunrise, 6 or 7 a.m. in our southwestern counties. And again, watch as most of those dark blues indicating the heavier snow, they stay to the south, generally south of Cedar Rapids. Some light snow up to about Highway 20, but it's brief, doesn't accumulate very much. And we start to see all of this thinning out by the early afternoon and done completely by 3 p.m. Clouds will follow suit, and that clearing with high pressure moving in, that means some really cold, frigid conditions on the way for this weekend. The snowfall amounts first. It's going to be 2 to 4 inches of dry, fluffy snow for areas along and south of Highway 30. Quick drop off to the north. I would say Dubuque less than 1 inch. Waterloo probably about an inch or less. And then, of course, down to a trace there for Olwine and New Hampton. So it's mostly a southern thing yet again. And then the weekend, high temperatures, 5 degrees on Saturday with that northwest wind. So we'll have to watch for, again, some drifting, blowing snow because it is going to be very lightweight snow. Easier to shovel, though. 2 degrees the high on Sunday. We're struggling to get above 0, even with a full day of sunshine. Finally seeing the sun. It's just going to be a really cold sunshine. But then Saturday night, Sunday morning, looking at the lows dropping down to the teens below 0. Record setting for sure in Iowa City. Those are limited records, so it's easy to set those. For the other more official 3, we'll come pretty close, especially in Cedar Rapids. So it is going to be really cold, record or not. And then the wind chills, that could be a problem. Some dangerous cold, frostbite setting in we'll say 30 minutes or less, as it could be as cold as about 30 or 35 below Sunday morning. So make sure you are either staying inside or you're staying safe if you are venturing outside early on Sunday. And we're going to have below 0 wind chills all day on Sunday, by the way. Temperatures topping out today in the mid-20s. Drifting snow, the biggest concern this afternoon with that wind gusting to 25 miles per hour. Lows are down to near 0 for tonight as the snow moves in late, closer to sunrise tomorrow. And then the snow is likely in the south. Those high temperatures, though, single digits everywhere. So snow or not, it's going to be cold no matter where you are. 2 to 4 degrees the highs on Sunday with the sunshine. And then as we go into next week, big changes. It's going to get a lot warmer. 27 for Monday and then above freezing on Tuesday and Wednesday. And it looks pretty quiet, too. Not a whole lot of chances for rain and snow, maybe just a touch of it for Wednesday night.